Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on your Wix website in 2023. A landing page is a powerful tool for businesses and individuals who want to generate leads or sales. It is a single web page that's designed to capture the visitor's attention and encourage them to take action. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of creating a landing page your Wix website. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So now what we need to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use Opera, you can use Brave like me, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So whatever browser you have or you want to use, go ahead and use it. Once you do that, of course, you can simply go to your URL section and simply type wix.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or the main screen of Wix website. And of course, here, if you have an account, you can simply click on the login option and that will take you to this page. Of course, here, you can simply enter your email and check this remember me option if you don't want to keep logging in into your account every time you get into the site or into the website. Of course, if you forgot your email, you can simply click here so you can get it back or remember it. Of course, make sure to read this term of use and privacy policy so you don't get in any future troubles. As you can see, you can read them very carefully because it's very important so you don't have any problems in the future with Wix company. Of course, this site is protected by reCAPTCHA Enterprise, Google privacy and terms of use apply, so make sure to read them. And of course, you can even log in into your account with Google, Facebook, or even Apple, or with your SSO. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on the sign up option. And of course, from here, you can create your account by entering your email, then retype in your email, creating a password, and type in your password again, then clicking on sign up. Of course, again, you can create your account with Google account or even Facebook account. And by signing up, you agree to our term of use and the knowledge you've read our privacy policy. It's the same as I showed you before. So for me, let me just fill this information real quick right here. Let's say an example that's going to be my email. I'm just going to retype it like this. The password, let's say it's going to be something like this. And let's just re-enter it. And here we are. As I said, you can, or you don't have to fill all of those. If you want, you can simply click add continue with Google if you have your Google account already connected and choose the email or the Gmail that you want to connect with. For me, I choose the same email that I choose here. So now let me just save this. So next time I want to log in or something, I'll not have to fill those manually. And here I'll have to answer a quick survey. So let's set up with the right tools. First, who are you creating a website for? Of course, you can answer those questions or you can simply click on skip. So do whatever suits you. For me, let's say as an example for me or my business or friend. So click on continue. And here, what kind of websites are you creating? Let's say as an example, online store. Click on next. Should not take a lot of time, this survey. And of course, if you're getting bored, as I said, always click on skip. Enter your store name. Let's say, an example, it's going to be something like this. Click on next, because this survey will even help you understanding a lot, and even they will even help you and give you a recommendation based on your survey right here. So let's say, an example, it's going to be blog. I don't know, maybe music, video, and click on next. Why not? So here, as you can see, we can simply now go to our dashboard. And as you can see, they are preparing my dashboard right now. So I'll have to wait a couple of seconds and I'm gonna be right there. So as you can see, now we are at the dashboard of my Wix account. And here, of course, I would like to finish this steps to set up my store. As an example, I'll have to add my first products and then set up a payment method. Then, of course, set up shipping and delivery address. Then design my website. Then connect to a custom domain. Then get found by customers on Google. So the first step, of course, of creating a landing page is to choose a template that suits your need. Wix offers a wide range of landing page templates, including ones for e-commerce, lead generation, and product launches. Once you chosen your template, you can customize it to match your brand by changing the color, fonts, and images. Of course, Wix will help you with everything. As you can see, if you click on design websites, that will take you right away to the editor Wix website. Here, you can choose your websites and edit everything formats. For me, I already choose those things, but for you, just follow them and choose whatever template you want. For me, I already choose those things. And of course, this is not a landing page, so don't worry about this. But once you choose your template, of course, for you, the next step is going to be define your goal. So what action do you want your visitors to take? Do you want them to sign up for your newsletter, as an example, or purchase a product, or fill out a form? Whatever your goal is, just make sure it's clear and easy to understand, because this will help you creating a compelling landing page that converts visitors into customers. Of course, Wix will also help you with that if you just answer their questions or choose the right templates and a lot of things that are going to help you with once you are designing your website. Of course, you can even edit it. And then you will have to write your copy, because your landing page should have a clear headline that grabs the visitor's attention and explains what you're offering. Your copy should be concise, persuasive, and focused on the benefits of your product or service. You can use bullet points and subheading to make your copy easy to read and to scan. Of course, you can use all the tools provided by Wix, and you will be able to do that very easily. Then, of course, the next step is going to be adding some images and videos. Images and videos, of course, can make your landing page more engaging and help you convey your message more effectively. Make sure your visuals are high quality, relevant, and consistent with your brand. Use images and videos to showcase your products or service and show how it can benefit your customer as well. Then, of course, the last two steps, the first one is going to be a call to action, or a CTA, which is a button or a link that encourages your visitors to take action. Your CTA should be prominent and clearly visible on your landing page. Use action oriented language such as sign up now or get started today to encourage your visitors to take their next step. And finally, the last tips, it's important to optimize your landing page for search engines. Use relevant keywords to your copy, headlines, and meta descriptions. Make sure your page loads quickly and it's mobile friendly as well, because some people just design their websites for the PC computers and totally forgot about the mobile users. They need some attention as well. You can also, of course, use the Wix SEO tool to improve your search engine ranking. And there you have it. By following these 6 steps, of course, you can create a powerful landing page that generates leads and drive sales. Remember to choose a template that suits your need, define your goal, write persuasive copy, and engaging visuals, include a clear call to action, and optimize your page for SEO. With these tips, you can create a landing page that converts visitors into customers and help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.